Se is the name of this five-stroke sign. Jumitsu, 3 tens joined for 30 years time. First, yokobo, a long cross stroke, a single timeline. Next, tate nihon, form jufutatsu on the right. Then a short yoko links ju to ju, end to end. Last, tate magete tome, a downstroke on the left forms the third 10. Then corners and stops on the right for a generation. Says the onyu here, Sekai, the world all of us share. Sedai, a generation, 30-year span. Sedon, public opinion, not the voice of one man. Sedai, a household, a family line, and sometimes the onus say Seiki, a century, 100 years time. In fixed phrases, say is heard with wa. Sewake, tending to all. Sewa, osuru, to look after someone. Sewa ni naru, to be taken care of. Osewa ni narimashita. Thanks so much for all you've done. Sewa no yakeru, troublesome. Sewa o yaku, to meddle, to interfere. Sewa o yakaseru, causing trouble everywhere. Yo is the kunyu here. Yononaka, the world, society, life and times make clear. This world in which we public opinion, Yoatari, navigating life, getting on, Ukiyo, the fleeting world, changing before our eyes. I know you're that world where the spirit flies. これ30年以上前だな。世の中も俺たちも随分変わった。この写真、お父さんとお母さんですか？お若いですね。そうだな。世代ってそういうもんだ。気づいたら君も同じ顔をしてると思うよ。
何見てるの？もうそのアルバム
This was more than 30 years ago. The world has changed. We've changed. Is this one you and her mother? You both look so young. We did. That's what a generation does. Before you know it, you'll be making the same face.
What are you looking at? Oh no, that album?
Say and say the onyo, the kun. This world, the age, a generation too. I know you're the next world.